Hey everybody, Joshua here on the YouTube, and for today's Asheville Best Area Hikes, we go to Black Balsam Knob on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Black Balsam Knob is about 50 minutes from Asheville and about mile marker 420 on the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's a beautiful drive up and a beautiful hike, about 3/4 of a mile up from the road at about 6,200 feet on the 30-mile Art Loeb Trail. And we love this hike so much that my wife and I got married there not too long ago, so I took her along on this hike and we did a little moonrise meditation at the top, Sun's Moon. We hope you enjoy this video. Please feel free to hit the subscriber button down below or leave us any comments, and we'll see you next time on Asheville's Best Hikes.